Ever feel like your content isn't reaching the right audience? In this video, I'll show you how to craft a powerful content distribution strategy using Team-GPT, so your content gets seen by the right people on the right platforms at the right time. Hey everyone, I'm Antonio, go-to-market lead here at Team-GPT, and today I'll walk you through an AI-powered approach to content distribution. Let's say I'm working with Samsung to launch their latest Galaxy smartphone. I'll show you how we can maximize reach and engagement across multiple channels. I'm already in my Samsung content distribution project with project knowledge set up. Let me walk you through what I've included in the project knowledge. In project information, I've defined our distribution goals for maximizing reach and engagement for Samsung Galaxy launch content, as you can see here. For links, I've added content distribution strategy guidelines here. For documents, I've uploaded Samsung channel performance data showing how their previous smartphone launches performed across different platforms, plus their Galaxy launch content assets document that outlines all available materials for distribution. This to create a better context to our project knowledge. Okay, now I'll click on Web. Web browsing allows me to search the internet in real time without leaving Team-GPT platform. I will research audience behavior across different platforms to understand when and how Samsung audience consumes content. So now I will create a new prompt for this project and I'll name it Samsung audience. Understand better the behavior. Instructions: when and how Samsung audience consumes content. Save. Alright, so I've created the prompt. Now here I have Samsung audience. When I click on it, I can use any model I want. I'll do chat-gpt 4o. I'll create it, and here I have, regarding to the project knowledge that we feed it to the platform, I'll have all this information for me to act upon. After completing my research, I will copy the public link of the web chat and add it to my project knowledge. Now, I will ask Team-GPT to develop a distribution timeline with key milestones from pre-launch teasers through post-launch support content. So I'll create another prompt, and I'll call it distribution timeline. I won't put any description on this one, and I'll say develop a distribution timeline with key milestones from pre-launch teasers through post-launch support content. Let's go. I'll save, and now I'll use this prompt. Distribution timeline. Okay, let's go. So now I have here all the phases that I need and all the content to build a very good strategy on that. So I'll describe my task. So here I can say I need to develop a content distribution strategy for the new Galaxy smartphone launch content, considering all the information inside our project knowledge. Let's go. Now the model is generating and I have it here. All set, and we have different channels, the week of launch, so all very personalized. The post-launch as we asked it. And now we can do one thing which makes it very easy to keep up, which is now we have all this information in here, but we want to consolidate all in one specific page. Right here, we can turn this into a page. And when we click turn to a page, we are in a separate sheet and we can act upon also. So for example, here, the second point, the launch week. Oh, I don't like this formatting, so I can prompt against it. Make it better. Okay, and now we have a different version. Okay, I like it better. Replace. Okay, so this is all editable. So website and app. Okay, let's take this. I don't want it. Right, so we are in control of the output of this work. And there we have it, a comprehensive content distribution strategy that ensures Samsung's Galaxy launch content reaches the right audiences on the right channels at the right time.